Hello everybody. For your PACCAR MX-13, we want to introduce to you the most cost-effective and easiest way to triple the life of your fuel injection system. We have our brand new drop-in series unit on this MX-13 right behind me here that Matt was so generous to lend me from MHK Hauling. This system can be installed in around an hour, and it removes the entrained air and air vapor, which increases the lubricity of your fuel by at least 10%. On top of that, we're going to be filtering particulates down to 2 microns. Absolute. Again, tripling the life of your fuel injection system. And it does not get easier or more cost-effective than our drop-in series unit. Now let's hop in here and take a closer look at how they're plumbed. The fuel is going to exit your OEM gear pump, which is down behind the frame here. Then it's going to travel into the inlet side of our filter housing. Then it will go through our 2 micron absolute extended capacity filter. The entrained air and air vapor is going to be removed at the rear port here. And we have actually 2 ports for that can be used, just whatever suits your application best. Then the pure diesel fuel is going to be going into your OEM filter mounted on the engine and right into the fuel galley in the engine block. Because our 2 micron microglass extended element fuel filter filters the particulates down to 2 microns absolute, much finer than the OEM filter, that is going to keep those abrasive contaminants out of your injection system. And if you're operating in cold temperatures, you can also add our electric heater probes, and you can have up to 3 of those electric heater probes in this unit here. Now for your PACCAR MX-13, this is one of the best return on investments you can make to protect your injection system. Now for more information, to locate a dealer near you or to order yours today, check them out at fastride.com.